Hi everyone, now that I've created around 18 videos on Scala and Spark Hello World, I want to continue creating more and more tutorial videos. The response was awesome, and one thing I wanted to improve was my audio quality, and to improve that I evaluated a lot of different options like um, lavalier mic or some other headphones and everything. And finally I decided to buy one audio interface, and I bought one that is Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. It has two inputs and two outputs. What I can do with it is I can connect a microphone or any other instrument like guitar to it, and then it will amplify the signal. It's also called preamplifier, and then that signal can be sent to a computer and can be processed by using a digital audio workstation, that's also called a DAW. And I can apply a lot of filters like noise reduction or compressor, something that will enhance my sound. And I also need a microphone. I didn't get the microphone right now because of lockdown. I didn't find a lot of shops open for microphone. I'll get it as soon as possible, but let's see the details about this audio interface now. Its Amazon page says that it is legendary audio interface, and it has helped create more sounds than any other audio interface. And I saw a lot of videos about this audio interface. I think it's really good. It has very good features, and it has some free tools bundle with it that you can immediately install and get started with audio processing and all. It has Ableton Live Lite, it has Pro Tools First, and lot of VST plugins available there. And this was actually suggested to me by a friend who is also a little bit into music production, and you can check his YouTube channel. So let's see how I got this. I didn't find Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 third gen in Nepal, so I went to their official website and ordered it from there. And they actually promised to deliver in Nepal in 7 days, but because it was lockdown time, they delivered it in 18 days. It was good for me, and the handling and delivery and the response of FedEx was awesome. I really like that. Let's start unboxing. So I have opened small bits of packaging that came with it. I got some invoice and all. It was pretty compact packaging, and this package itself, it's compact and a pretty small audio interface, and it would be perfect in desk. And this is what it looks like. We have audio interface, we have some safety instructions and all these things, and it has some instructions here, how to get it done, how to get it connected to computer. And we have this USB cable to connect it to computer. So if I open this, I have audio interface that is quite small, quite compact, and quite beautiful. The color is nice, and we have some gain, this 2R gain for my inputs, where I can connect microphone or any other instruments. And I also have 48 volt phantom power and the audio levels. I have headphone jack where I can connect. It is quarter-inch jack. I'll have to get connector from my 3.5 mm jack, and I also have output. Most probably I'll not be using these things, and I'll just be using this USB-C to connect to my PC and record some audio. That's it about it.